Kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC ni iranĩire gukinyaniria mendekithia ma kuhukia ndamathia ya ungumania guku bururi-ini na muno makiria maria marakuruhania mbeu njithi na wagi wa mawira. Kamiti ĩno yarĩtio ũũ hĩndĩ ya kwamũkĩra mendekithia ma kuhukia ungumania guku bururi-ini maria maneanirwo nĩ gĩkundi kĩa mbeu njithi kĩrĩa gĩtirihire woko ya kilomita 350 kuma taũni-inĩ ya ELDORET nginyanagia guku mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi ĩrĩa yambĩrĩirie tariki 23 mweri ũyũ.
Sababu ufisadi huanza na mtoto mdogo. Wakati unamtuma mtoto unaambia kimbia nitakupea sweet. Na mimi najua wengi wetu bado tunatuma hivyo. Tuseme ukweli. Ni lazima mtoto aende afanye hiyo shughuli ndio awachane na hiyo ufisadi. Sio lazima aongwe ndio aende afanye. This is a stumbling block enye inasuia development in our country. So we cannot say that we are heading to Singapore when we still have all these problems of impunities.
Hamwe na maundu maria mendekithitio ni gikundi giki gitongoretio ni MAAMUKIRA ni kuhukia ungumania wabici-ini cia thirikari undu uria ucungiriirie wagi wa mawira kuri mbeu njithi, kuhukia ciiko cia maabithaa a thirikari gwitia mahaki, muingi gwitio mbeca hindi iria urabatara motungata matari marihi ma thirikari gatagati-ini ka mangi.
The youth experience corruption in public offices through inter alia, bribery and inducements demanded for recruitment into public services. Point number 2 is that irregular and non-transparent procurement processes that exclude genuine youth-owned enterprises. Point number 3, abuse of discretion by public officers in licensing, registration and approval processes.
Akiranira gukinyaniria mendekithia maya murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ĩno Abdi Mohamud ni ugite ni moete undu uyu na uritu na ni mehotorete kunyitanira na mbeu njithi kuona nio mahatiririkite muno hoka ni ugitiri na kwigwatira mieke ya mawira.
The last 2 years we've actually partnered with the youth, specifically those in the institutions of learning, in the universities and in some schools, so that we also do our part within our responsibilities to ensure that we form real partnership with the youth. And I think late last year we signed an MOU with the National Youth Council, which is the organization that is recognized as the key representative of the youth.
Akinyita miario no baru muikariri giti wa kamiti no David Oginde ni ugite bururi wa Kenya uri handu horu kuona itonga nicio ciaga kuma kuri muingi uria muhatiririku.
It's in a bad place where, as you people have clearly pointed out, the rich are stealing from the poor. They are undermining the values of the country. They are colors that they steal even from the dead. It is we are in a bad situation.
Oginde ni oritie muingi wa bururi kunyitanira niguo kunina ndamathia ya ungumania KAIMANA guku bururi-ini.
We can mobilize the whole country against the vice of corruption so that the few that are corrupt in this country will find it very difficult to live among us.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.